What's up, friends? We're back. We've got a little unboxing here. Kind of already unboxed it, but these things are a pain in the butt to open up. You know how speakers are, trying to get them in and out of boxes. These are the Arc Audio MOTO692s. So these are specifically designed for you Harley guys that got a fairing, you're doing bag lids in the back, you need a 6x9 application. These things are awesome. Killer sound on your Harley or your Honda. I don't judge, but you're looking for a good motorcycle speaker that is going to sound awesome, that's going to be durable, and that's going to handle some power. These are the guys to take a look at. So again, MOTO692 from Arc Audio. Take a look at these guys. Let's take a look. I'm going to slide the box over and show you guys some stuff. Ta-da! So, we've got a nice box. Of course, we have some instructions. Yeah, whatever. They do come with grills if you're doing a custom application. So they do come with a nice metal grill on there. Get rid of those guys. And we'll get down to business. So we're going to take a look at these awesome motorcycle speakers. Check those out. Nice Kevlar cone. We've got a nice seal around the pole piece. Got really good excursion on these. Really nice rubber surround. These are all UV coated aluminum tweeters. So really, really nice and loud. These also are a swivel tweeter. So whatever direction you need these guys to go, they're going to give you a nice angle on those. So if you're mounting them in a bag lid, that's where they're going in my application. We can angle those tweeters up towards you while you're rocking at 70 miles an hour. So show you the backside. These are also all aluminum. The actual basket itself. These are not a plastic basket that are on these. What's nice about that, it's going to be a whole lot better against vibration. So do have a capacitor built on for the tweeter. You got a nice big magnet on the back of these guys. They are a 4-ohm speaker as well. So if you're doing some nice 4-channel or even a 2-channel where you're putting 4 speakers on them, I mean basically they'll do whatever you need. So 90 watts RMS on these, so really good power handling as well. So if you're looking for to be able to again do an amplifier, or if you're doing just a regular radio, they're still going to be able to handle that as well on your Harley or again your Honda, whatever you need them to do. But really killer sound on these, just really good build quality, guys. When it comes to these are not your just off-brand, what they consider a marinized speaker. Really well built, really well thought out on all of their audio products from Arc Audio. Yes, they're a little bit more expensive, okay? We have to get past that for our quality and wanting things to last. And that's what we want. We want things to last. We want things to sound good for years and years to come. They've got a really good high temperature voice coil on these. And they say so they are designed for long listening. Some of your other marine application speakers are not designed for long listening. So you get up at some of the really high power or really expensive stuff. So definitely take a look at these. So give you guys a couple of little just quick specification stuff on it. I'll put a spec page up here so you can actually see it. But we've got 90 RMS, 240 watts peak power on these. So again, plenty of power handling. So we got 50 hertz on the bottom side on your low end, all the way up to 20,000 hertz. They're 86 dB sensitivity, so good sensitivity, but that's also why it's not ridiculously high. That's why you're getting good power handling out of these compared to some of the other speakers that are out there on the market. That's pretty much about it. These do retail a little pricey, but again, you're paying for the quality of the speaker. These average right around like somewhere between like $380, $399 up to about $450. Depending on what's on sale, who's got them, what discounts are being applied. But the average I would probably say is around that $399 type of price tag to $450. But I'm telling you, take a look at these. Take a look at the 6.5s they have. Take a look at the loudspeakers. You guys out there looking for motorcycle stuff, just, I'm telling you, this is where it's at for the bikes, man. All right, friends, so don't mind my sweatiness. It's hot in Florida, ridiculously hot. So if you guys have any questions, let me know regarding the Moto speakers, the Moto line of ARC audio, or anything ARC. You can absolutely shoot me a question if you have a question pertaining to something else. Anything in the audio world, I'll be glad to answer it. Comment down below. Give me a like, subscribe, whatever you can. Subscribers are always good. I got a bunch more videos coming up, so hit me up. Like I said, any questions you guys have regarding any audio stuff, I'll be glad to answer. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time. Keep it rocking.